Ever wonder where you can find the live price of Newton Protocol, also known as Newt? Maybe you're looking to check its current value or track its performance over time. Knowing the right sources is key to staying informed in the fast-paced crypto world. The most reliable sources for Newton's live price are major cryptocurrency data platforms and exchanges. These platforms aggregate data from numerous markets, giving you a comprehensive and up-to-the-minute view. Top platforms to check Newt's price. Cryptocurrency data aggregators. Platforms like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Crypto.com Price Index are excellent starting points. They provide detailed information beyond just the price, including market capitalization, 24-hour trading volume, circulating supply, and historical charts. They are great for a quick, holistic overview of Newt's market status. Centralized exchanges, CEXs. Many major CEXs list Newton Protocol. You can find its price directly on exchanges like Kraken, KuCoin, and Bybit. These sites are particularly useful if you're actively trading, as they show the live buy and sell orders, a real-time price chart, and trading pairs like Newt/USD or Newt/USDT. The price on an exchange can sometimes slightly differ from an aggregator due to liquidity and trading volume variations, so it's smart to check a few. How to check the price? Checking the price is super easy. Open your preferred platform, head to one of the websites mentioned, like CoinMarketCap or Kraken. Search for Newt, use the search bar and type in Newton or its ticker, Newt. View the data, the platform will show you the current price, a price chart, and other key metrics. You can also customize the chart to see different time frames, from 1 hour to all time. This helps you analyze its price history and trends. Remember to always look at a few different sources to get a well-rounded view, especially if you're about to make a trade. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.